What's up, guys? I'm here in Wyoming at the Bear River. Something just happened. Flew my drone right next to him to film him, and all of a sudden the drone lost control and I didn't have, like, it wouldn't go up anymore. So then the drone just kind of started taking a dive, literally into the water. I'm going to open my new drone. If I can even figure out how to, oh, there we go. There goes that. Here, for the first time, ooh. Here is the controller. You can see that. This is the drone. This is the Mavic Pro 2. These go like that. Boom, that's what it looks like. I'm excited. All right, that is that for now. I'm gonna let everything charge and then I'm gonna try everything out for the first time. I'm excited. Hey guys, I'm out here at the Provo Temple with my drone. I'm gonna fly it for the first time, so I thought I'd get this on camera. It's not my first time flying a drone, but it's my first time flying my drone, so I'm probably gonna be a lot more careful. I tried to bring the drone up and it wouldn't go, so I just tried to fly like straight forward as fast as I could to get away from the choppy water and the area where like it would for sure wash the drone away. I was actually trying to bring the drone over here to the edge right here and hope maybe it lands in like the bushes or on the rocks and, like, you know, save it from drowning in the water, but it was a little too late and it just went and literally just dove in right there. And then I tried to come down here to rescue the drone or to find it, and that bridge right there, I ended up falling down from the top of it. I hurt my thumb a little bit, but I think it's fine. I don't think it's broken. I mean, I'm holding the camera with it, so I think it's fine. And then the guy that's surfing, his name is Seth. He came over here to see if he could help me find it, and he just walked right up and like put his hand down and was like, "Oh, is this it?" and pulled out the drone right out of the water. So I'm glad it like sunk and just kind of laid there. That way I can at least try to see what I can do with it, if I can dry it out and if it'll still work, or if DJI might be able to do something about it, because I don't know what like, that was not operator error. It was probably like 5 or 6 feet off the ground or above the water, and all of a sudden it just wouldn't go up anymore, only down. Like, there's a chance there was some kind of wind draft right here that was kind of like sucking it down, but I don't know, it just seems really sketchy, because I've flown it in pretty strong wind before too, and it handled just fine. But I'm gonna try and see if I can put the drone in some rice and see if that'll dry it out, because maybe I can salvage it. We'll see. So yeah, that was my excitement for the day. Glad that I was able to come up here to Wyoming and sacrifice my drone. So now I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm getting some rice. I think I'm just gonna go with this rice. It actually defines Ziploc bags. I think a gallon's good, right? I decided to also get one of the bigger ones.
Got to. No. After you're done, so I used it for you.
Awesome, thank you. I forgot to film myself pouring the rice into the bag, but I just dumped both of the bags of rice on top of the drone inside the Ziploc bag, and then decided to double bag it just in case so it doesn't spill into my bag. So after I got home, I started a claim with DJI. I emailed them and told them everything that happened. I sent them the flight records, I downloaded them. I even reviewed them myself. I could rewatch everything, what the drone was doing. Ultimately, after a lot of back and forth, DJI determined that it was operator error, that it was my fault, that I decided to fly the drone into the water, which is ridiculous. I tried to explain to them that the drone actually was like auto landing and that I could not make the drone go back up. I kept pushing the joystick up and it wouldn't go up. And so the only choice I had was to fly it away from the water as quickly as possible. And that's why you can see in the video as I'm like kind of going down with the drone and it all of a sudden just goes into the water. So I fought with them a little bit through email, and the flight record just shows that the throttle, or not the throttle, the joystick for up and down was pressed down 100%. I personally believe that's because it went into some kind of auto landing mode, because it detected that there was something below it, which was water, and it detected it as ground, so it landed. I've read some reviews and things online that said they had a similar problem. According to the flight record, I can't prove that the drone was doing what I say it was doing. They can just go off of what the flight record shows, and unfortunately it shows that the lever was being depressed 100% down, and so I sent the drone in to get it looked at by the repair facility, and they determined that it needs to be replaced because it has water damage, obviously, because it was underwater for like 10 minutes until Seth was finally able to get out of the water. So yeah, I'm most likely just gonna pay the repair fees and get my drone replaced so I can start flying again. You guys could probably see from the footage that I had a lot of I went to a lot of really cool places to film, but I'm not a very good pilot yet, so a lot of the shots were kind of shaky or not very smooth, so I did what I could with it, and I also just tried to throw this video together real quick just so you guys can see a little bit of my drone's life from the moment I got it to the day it crashed. So hopefully I'll have better experiences with it in the future. Hopefully I'll have better experience with DJI in general. They've been really good about responding and everything. I just don't agree that it was my fault. I do believe that it was some kind of error with the drone. Why would the drone try to land on water? I don't know. I sure wasn't trying to land on water, so hopefully that's something that'll be fixed in the future. If you guys have any similar experiences like I did, please comment down below, share about it, or ask me questions,
if you want more details about what happened and the process of sending it back in to get it fixed and to deal with the customer support. So yeah, unfortunately, my drone didn't live very long, but it'll come back soon and I'll start flying again. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any suggestions, maybe a better drone, because I really like the Mavic Pro too. But if you know of any other drones that you think are better, comment down below and give me some suggestions. Thanks guys.